further proceedings today on motions to suspend the rules on which the yeas and nays are ordered. The House will resume proceedings on postponed questions at a later time. For what purpose does the gentleman from California seek recognition?
Madam Speaker, I move to suspend the rules and pass S4160, the Supreme Court Police Parity Act of 2022.
The clerk will report the title of the bill.
Senate 4160, an act to amend Title 40, United States Code to grant the Supreme Court of the United States security-related authorities equivalent to the legislative and executive branches.
Pursuant to the rule, the gentleman from California, Mr. Lieu, and the gentleman from Ohio, Mr. Jordan, each will control 20 minutes. The chair recognizes the gentleman from California.
Madam Speaker, I ask unanimous consent that all members have 5 legislative days to revise and extend their remarks and include extraneous material on S4160.
Without objection.
Madam Speaker, I yield myself such time as I may consume.
Gentleman is recognized.
Madam Speaker, I rise in support of S4160, the Supreme Court Police Parity Act of 2022. While the Supreme Court Police Force is currently authorized to provide protection to the justices of the Supreme Court, this bill would unequivocally extend their authority to provide protection to the family members of justices if there is reason to believe they are at risk. It is imperative that the justices are free from fear of violence or physical intimidation to make decisions based on the Constitution and law as applied to the facts of the cases before them. This is essential to the rule of law. Assailants like the man arrested recently for allegedly plotting against the life of one of our justices are a threat to our democracy, but with the right security, they can also be stopped before they inflict harm. I thank Senators Coons and Cornyn for their work on this issue in the Senate and Representatives Stanton, Correa, and Issa for their leadership in the House, likewise introducing bills that would extend protection to the families of justices. I also thank Congresswoman Sheila Jackson Lee as well. I further note that Mr. Stanton's bill would also have extended protection to the families of court employees. We understand that there was Republican opposition to that aspect of the bill, and in the interest of protecting the justices' families, we can no longer delay in passing the only version of the bill they would apparently agree to. But I hope we will move swiftly another bill to extend protection to the families of employees as well. I hope my colleagues will join me in passing this straightforward measure to ensure that the families of the Supreme Court justices have the necessary protection from any threats that they may face. Thank you, and I reserve the balance of my time.